Hi guys, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. So this is the weekend 26 video 2. In the previous part, we were working on a ToastyWeather builder project. So in the previous part, we just seen a HTML form of entering the details, entering the city, and then just clicking on submit, but it was not working. So in this video, we'll make it work. So let's get started. So let's jump into the code. So here we have several IDs, the several constants. So we are getting all this information from the HTML document. That is the city input, search button, weather result, city name, temperature, wind speed, and toast container. So all these things we are directly fetching from the HTML document. Now, the first thing is the toast function which we have. The function is show toast, and here we have a message, and the type is information. We are giving the information to the user. Now, we have to create we have to create an element div, and we have to add the toast. Whatever the toast it is there, whatever the message is there, we have to add that. And the toast contains the toast.text content is a message. Now after that, we have to append the toast into that particular document, that particular what do you call the screen in that particular part. After that, we have to set a timeout. So basically a timer where we have to display the toast style, like the toast notification, and then after 2.5 seconds, we have to remove that. So that is how this is going to work, this toast notification. Now here we have to we'll follow two steps. First one is fetching the latitude and longitude of the particular city, and then extracting the weather using that coordinates, that latitude and longitude using that. Now, so we'll be using the city and getting the longitude and the latitude of that particular city, and then we'll convert that into JSON format. Now after that, you have, when you get the result, then if you get the result, then you copy the first element of the result, or else just keep it null, because now we have the coordinates. Now from this coordinate, we'll use one more API key to get the location details from that longitude and from that latitude. So that location, and then again that also will be converting it into JSON. After that, now we have the temperature, the weather, this thing as well. Now after that, we have the event handler. So this is basically click. It works on click. So that search button is there. When you enter the city name and then you click on search, this is called. Now the city is the input value. We have to remove the spaces and then take the input value. If there is no city, then we say enter a city, error. This is the toast message. Now, if there is city, if the user has entered the city, if the details is being fetched, then we say fetching weather. This belongs to information, whatever we have to give. Now, here we have finally the function which is being called, that is the get location, which we had here. The first is the get location followed by the get weather. If there is no location, then we say city not found. If there is location, then we call the get weather with the longitude and latitude. After that, we have to display the content. So first is the city, the name will be displayed along with the temperature in degrees Celsius, and then the wind speed in km/h. Yeah, now the toast says success. One more toast message is success. Now let me run the program. Yeah, so this is the this thing. I'll click on Bengaluru. It is fetching. This is a toast message. It is fetching weather. Okay, so the weather is loaded successfully. It says the current temperature here is 19.5 degrees Celsius and the wind speed is 7.4 km/h. Let me try with some different input, that is Mumbai. This is the toast message what we are talking about, fetching weather. Again, temperature is 26.8 degree and wind speed is 12.2. Let me submit the program. So test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.